Hi there! Welcome to Luxio, the place where we motivate and inspire future billionaires like you. It's that time of the year again when you start thinking about your goals and resolutions for the upcoming year. Exciting, right? However, past studies have shown that 80% of people fail to achieve their New Year's goals by February. To avoid failure, there are 3 ways you can set yourself up for success. Ready to win? Then keep watching this video. One reason why people often fail to achieve their goals is because they overcommit and have unrealistic expectations, thinking that crossing into a new year will magically change them. But the truth is, it's not new year, new me, it's new year, same you. But that doesn't mean you can't renew yourself, right? To increase your chances of success, you need to have a concrete plan to follow. So if you're ready to start the new year off on the right foot, let's get started. Number 1. Try the perfect day method. The first strategy for achieving your goals in the new year is the perfect day method. This works wonders to help you build consistency. But before that, guys, remember, we shouldn't be hard on ourselves. As much as we want to improve ourselves to achieve success, change doesn't happen overnight. It takes months to years to build a healthy habit that is also sustainable in the long run. Hence, we need to take one day at a time. To start the perfect day, take a piece of paper and write down in detail what a perfect day would look like for you, including everything from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. For example, you'll wake up early, exercise and walk around the park, eat a delicious and healthy meal, and write in your journal. Make sure to be realistic and include all aspects of your day, not just specific goals. After you've written this down, simplify it to make it more manageable. Pick a day of the week such as Monday to try to enact this perfect day as closely as possible. It's important to start with only one day and to stick with it for the first month. By focusing on just one day per week, you can make progress without overwhelming yourself. The perfect day method has 2 purposes. First, it helps you see what is realistically achievable for you by showing you what you can get done without feeling rushed. By doing this for 2 or 3 days, you can establish a baseline for yourself and see whether you can do more or less than you thought. The second purpose is to give you momentum. If you have one great day, it's likely to spill over into the next one, and you'll start to feel excited about actually doing the things you set out to do. To start, choose one day per week to focus on in January. In February, add in another day. Ideally, one that is not immediately after your first day. For example, if you choose Monday in January, adding a Wednesday perfect day in February could be a good choice. Keep this up for a month, then in March, add in a 3rd day. By doing this for 3 days a week for a month at a time, you can gradually build discipline and make progress towards your goals without overcommitting. By the end of March, you'll be well on your way to becoming the best version of yourself. Number 2. Find a mentor. Every great leader has a mentor. And this is a key aspect to win not just this year, but to win every day in life. Having a mentor is a valuable and important experience for many people. A mentor is someone who has more experience and knowledge in a particular field or area of life and can offer guidance, advice, and support to someone who is less experienced or just starting out. A mentor will provide you valuable perspective and help you identify and overcome welcome challenges that may come your way. They can also serve as a role model and offer encouragement and motivation. In addition, a mentor can help to open up new opportunities and connections that may not have been available otherwise. Having a mentor is a helpful and enriching experience that can help to accelerate your personal and professional growth. Get a coach or mentor, someone who can provide outside accountability and perspective. An outside entity can help you see your shortcomings and guide you towards success in a more unbiased way. Additionally, changing your perspective can also be helpful. Instead of thinking about things you have to do, try to reframe them as things you get to do. This simple shift in thinking can put you on a winning path and help you be grateful for the opportunities you have. To find your mentor, first, you need to reflect on what you want to achieve and what kind of mentor would be best suited to help you achieve those goals. Think about the industry, experience level, personality, and communication style that would complement your profession and traits. Network and make connections in your field or industry. Attend events, Join professional organizations and reach out to people you admire or respect. You never know who might be willing to mentor you or introduce you to someone who could be a good fit. You can also try participating in a formal mentorship program, which can be a structured way to find and connect with a mentor. Many professional organizations, universities, and companies offer mentorship programs. Think about people you already know who might be good mentors. This could be a teacher, a colleague, or even a family member. Don't be afraid to ask someone to be your mentor, as long as you approach them in a respectful and professional manner. Remember, it's important to be proactive and take the initiative to find a mentor, as it's not something that will just happen on its own. Be open to new opportunities and be willing to put yourself out there. Number 3, set multiple timelines. Consistency is the key. It doesn't matter if it takes you a longer time to achieve something as long as you work your way and eventually achieve it. It would be a great help to have multiple timelines for achieving your goals. This means setting short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals for yourself, rather than just focusing on one big goal in the distant future. Having multiple timelines allows you to break down your goals into smaller, more manageable chunks, which can make them feel more achievable and give you a sense of progress. Additionally, having a variety of goals at different stages of completion can help you stay motivated and keep you from feeling overwhelmed. To create a system of multiple timelines for achieving your goals, try dividing them into 3 categories. Short term, around 3 months, medium term, around 6 to 8 months, and long term, 1 year or more. For your short term timeline, consider something you can accomplish within 3 months, such as getting healthier and more fit. For your medium term timeline, pick something that will take around 6 to 8 months to accomplish, such as improving at your job or learning a new skill. For your long term timeline, choose a goal that will take 1 year or more to achieve. This system of multiple timelines can help you stay focused and motivated by giving you a variety of goals at different stages of completion. And since we're talking about skills, here's a bonus tip. Bonus tip: study and learn new skills. The brutal truth is that many people will lose their jobs in the coming year due to the combination of the AI revolution and the recession. If your job is replaceable, it's important to take steps to become irreplaceable to secure your future. This means getting better at what you do, whether you have a job, are an independent contractor, or own a business. It's important to be proactive and educate yourself to navigate the new economy, rather than resisting change and risking being left behind. Devote 10 to 20 hours each week to education and practice in order to stay ahead of the curve. If you have hobbies, passions, and interests that you would like to pursue, start them now. This is your chance to do something you love and get better at it. Who knows, this interest may be the one that will save you and your future. So there you have it. These are the 3 ways to win in 2023. We wish you success in your endeavors. Always remember, the key to success is consistency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're always updated with our latest videos. See you later!